Xiaomi Robot 1C main features. Visual Dynamic Navigation System. Quickly capture coordinate information, extract complex spatial features, maintain dynamic surveys while traveling, map more accurately and efficiently. vSLAM plus 4-core CPU. More computational, able to locate the exact position of the robot in real time and intelligently draw the working path. 200 ml water tank. Precision water control, wet drag is cleaner. 2500 Pa powerful suction. Equipped with brushless motor, adjust the air duct design, easily absorb dust particles. Suspension suction and powerful main brush. Large diameter suspension suction port, close to the ground. High precision sensor. 15 types of multi-directional sensors, sensitive to various complex environments, easy to avoid obstacles. MIJIA app remote control. Appointment cleaning, not at home can also control. 20 mm crossing obstacle. Easily climb the threshold, rails, carpet. 8.2 cm slim body. Easy go to the bottom of bed, cabinet, and sofa. Automatic charge. Automatically recharge when less than 15% of battery power. When the battery is charged to 80%, return to the power off position and continue to sweep. Xiaomi Vacuum 1C can sweep and simultaneously wet mop the floor automatically. New visual navigation system. Quickly understand the home environment. Equipped with a high-speed visual navigation system to help capture coordinate information quickly and extract complex spatial features. Map creation is faster and more accurate. 30,000/SEC feature point acquisition. Dynamic visualization. Panoramic planning. 166 degrees wide angle. Visual SLAM intelligent path planning. The OV visual sensor scans the surroundings, smart plan sweep route, efficient completion of the cleaning task, do not miss any corner. 1C robot is equipped with dual gyroscope and the optical flow sensor, which can obtain the position more accurately. High precision visual navigation collect coordinate information and draw accurate map. Dual gyroscope assisted navigation obtain angle information to assist judgment direction of travel. Bottom optical flow calibration in low light environment, assist take the route. 1C robot is equipped with the Cortex TMA7 quad-core data processing chip and the dual-core Mali 400 image processing unit. With the vSLAM algorithm, the computing power is stronger, and the accurate position of the robot can be fast located in real time and the cleaning path can be drawn. The robot is equipped with a 200 ml intelligent electronically controlled water tank, which automatically controls the water volume throughout the whole process, protects the floor, and evenly outlet water without leaking. 2500 Pa suction wipe out all dirts. It uses Japan's Nidec strong brushless motor, continuously provides powerful suction, which sweep dirts on the floor or between gaps in an instant. Large diameter suspension suction port that fits snugly against the ground. 0.1 mm ultra dense fiber main brush, suitable for a variety of floor cleaning. Washable filter screen effectively intercepts dust as small as 0.3 mm and discharges clean air. Slim body 8.2 cm to go freely. The built-in visual sensor gives it a slimmer body, so it works freely under bed, cabinet, and sofa by S-shape route for a high coverage. The device is equipped with 15 kinds of high-precision sensors, which have stronger environmental adaptability, helps to better prevent falling, infrared sensing, collision avoidance, obstacle relief, obstacle avoidance, etc. Climb over 20 mm high obstacles. Mi Home App Smart Control. MIJIA Internet Intelligence. Deliberately cleansing life, in the palm of your hand. Firmware upgrade. Remote control. Mode adjustment. Schedule cleaning. Fault reminder. Real-time rendering. Customize the cleaning area. Equipped with virtual wall, you can set the cleaning area personality. Note, the virtual wall need to be purchased separately. OTA online firmware upgrade. Constantly refreshing learning ability, the more you use the smarter. Large capacity lithium battery power. 120 square meters room, sweeping. Low battery automatic recharge. When the automatic recharge amount is less than 15%, the battery will return to the breakpoint for self-recovery.